Hello everyone, I am R.MALATHY from the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. In lecture series, the third topic is Bayes' theorem. Bayes' theorem, we should know the statement, that is, if E1, E2, etc. En are mutually disjoint even with P of Ei not equal to 0, that is I equal to 1 to n, then for any arbitrary event A which is a subset of union of Ei, I varies from 1 to n such that probability of A greater than 0. So we are having the formula that probability of Ei, given that A equal to probability of Ei, probability of A given that Ei divided by summation I equal to 1 to n, probability of Ei into probability of A given Ai. Here I is varies from 1 to n. Then understanding conditional probability, principle of conditional probability is it involves the likelihood of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. The key concept is understanding the relation between the events and their probability is crucial. Real life example is conditional probability is commonly used in fields such as healthcare and finance. Why we are mostly used in healthcare and finance means health, how it will be defined. So the habits of food habits, physical maintenance, taking the medicines properly. These are all the reflection of our health condition. So one thing is dependent on another thing. The health care is not only depending the food habits alone, it depending so many things. So one result is depending on more than one means that comes under Bayes' theorem. That is health. If one person should be healthy means he have to sleep well, he have to drink water well, he have to take foods properly, he have to do the physical exercise properly, he should not have any bad habits. So these are all the things determining his health condition. So many things determining one thing means that is comes under Bayes. So they like the same way finance also. If you want to yield profit means we have to buy products in cheap and best way, and we have to grow our customer numbers, then we have to get good feedbacks, then our product should be reliable. So this so many things depending on the profit. So these are all the real example for the conditional probability. The formula for Bayes is already we have discussed, that is probability of Ei such that Ei given that A equal to probability of Ei, probability of A given Ai, summation divided by summation I equal to 1 to n, probability of Ei into probability of A given Ei. Core idea is it calculates the probability of an event happening based on prior knowledge. Bayes' theorems involve superior probability and new evidence in its calculation. It provides a systematic approach to revise beliefs in the light of new information. Real world application of Bayes is in medicine field, in security, in finance. Already we have discussed how that Bayes is working in medicine, how Bayes is working in finance. Like the same way in securities, it is applied in areas such as cyber security to analyze the probability of security breaches. So suppose if you want to secure one banking sector, we should know how we have to use the formula of Bayes there. That is what are all the things to do the cheating. So we have to deduct that. Based on the things, we have to find new ways to protect the customers, people. So for that we need Bayes' theorem. Then visualizing Bayes' theorem with images is start with the belief based on prior knowledge or initial data, acquire new evidence or observation that may impact the initial beliefs, revise the initial belief based on the new evidence, producing an updating probability. Example of using Bayes' theorem with images is accuracy in diagnosing. Using Bayes' theorem can be improve accuracy in diagnosing certain diseases. It plays a significant role in evaluating the risk associated with potential outcomes. Bayes' theorem is utilized in predictive modeling for various applications. Then limitation and challenging of applying Bayes' theorem is dependence on prior knowledge, complexity in calculation, assumption on independence. It heavily relies on accurate pre-existing knowledge and data. The calculation and can become complex, especially with multiple variables. It assumes that all the variables are independent, which may not always be the case. Conclusion and key takeaways is practically Bayes' theorem offers practical and systematic approach to updating beliefs. Its application extend to wide range of fields, providing valuable insights. Continuous advantages in data science and technology enhance in usage of relevance. Thank you.